Hey, everybody! Welcome to this channel. And in this video, friends, I will tell you and also show you how you can reset your Instagram recommended page. Don't forget, dear friends, please subscribe to our channel and also be sure to put your likes under the video and please write comments. So friends, let's get down to our topic. And first of all, you will need to on your device, of course. Open the Instagram app itself and then please go to your account. Now on the top right, please click on the three bars. Next, scroll through the menu that you'll have a little bit down and find the content section. Now you'll need to select the very last option here. And this will take you to reset the recommendations page. Click Next. And then just click Reset. In this way, friends, you will reset your Instagram recommendations and it will be changed. I really hope this video has helped you. You have seen how you can reset your Instagram Explore page. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put likes and write comments. See you again, friends.